Hello, this is Eric of Sparky Tech and welcome to my review of the Honeywell Hepaclean air purifier. Here I have an extra new filter. We can see that this is definitely a used filter. It's normally black. It's definitely not black anymore. I've been using about 8 hours a day for about 1 month. And on the bottom we also see the filter type, which shows U, and the replacement is U, just like it shows on the box for the new one. Here we can see the clean air rating of this air purifier, and I believe this is an understatement. Let's check out the filter after 1 month of use. Pull up on the tab to remove it from the base, and we pull it out. Since I'm supporting with only one hand, I'm holding the phone, we can see the difference of this after 1 month versus the new one. Black charcoal with HEPA in the back versus this very dirty front end with, of course, the HEPA in the back. Let's see if we can see the difference of the HEPA. Don't know if we will. Oh, definitely can see that difference. I didn't actually expect that to be the difference. That's 1 month. Capturing the smoke and the fires, very effective. In fact, it's better than a particular Shark air purifier that costs quite a bit more. I believe it's IQ Air something max, whatever, 500 versus this. And yeah, this is literally 2.5 times less expensive than the Shark one, which wasn't very effective for fire smoke. So here we go. Absolutely effective for what it is. The plug itself is 2 meters in length. This is an American style, by the way, American Canadian style plug. There we go. And it's off. So let's turn it on. Let's start with low. Not particularly silent, but we can hear it. So if you're sensitive hearing at nighttime, this could keep you awake. I can hear a slight high-pitched noise. You can hear a little bit of the fan noise. If I go over top of this, you probably could definitely hear that airflow. Definitely has good airflow even at low, so no problems there. It's going to collect dust. Medium. And high. There we go. For the fun of it, I'm going to press this button, see if anything happens. Didn't need to change the filter anyway, so there we go. And off. Just a simple design. There's nothing that tells you how bad or how good your air is. It just simply works. Charcoal collects the VOC and it will off gas when it's full and saturated. This collected smoke from fires. It had to be changed, so it's changed. Now the smell of plastic, is that a concern for you? Then don't get plastic because, well, sadly all of these are plastic. Now what do? You have no choice pretty much to get a plastic air purifier. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna air this outside, say on your porch, not in the sunlight. Sunlight degrades plastic and will give off more plastic smell. And you can leave it running, say after you air it out for a bit, take the filter out, just let it sit where there's airflow. And then maybe run it for an hour or two before you put it in your place and get rid of any smell if that is a concern for you. Highly recommended for the price. I'm actually impressed. I thought it wouldn't be as good. I'm not particularly a fan of Honeywell because a lot of air purifiers from Honeywell will use 3 of 1 filter, like 3 charcoal filters and then 3 HEPA filters that you change maybe twice a year, and that gets extremely expensive. So 1 filter, let's say $20 to maybe $30 depending where you live. In my case, I'll only pay $20, 19 something. And say if I do 3 filter changes, that's $60. Sure, it's getting close to the price of this, but you can see it was effective. And that is the point of an air purifier. Sure, there's no pre-filter, and if it was just dust, I'd vacuum that. And I didn't keep it any longer than 6 months because then you collect bacteria, mold, and yeah, it's not good to keep things like this for a long time. That are washable are not going to collect fine dust and other items as well, I found, at least from my experience. So having a HEPA, definitely the way to go if you have allergies. So yeah, thanks for watching, and this is Eric of Sparky Tech. Have yourselves a most wonderful day.